Ganun? Bakit nakapatay? Binuksan ko yan. Tagal na, nandiyan sila Kuya Kaloy pa. Babe, nagre-record ako eh. Nagre-record ako. Mamaya na ha. Bye. So let's write now exponential form into logarithmic form. Again, we have exponential form, for example, y equals to the x, and the logarithmic form is x equal to log y2. Okay, so how this one from here become like this? Okay, so if you will see, the exponent here becomes by itself here. The base 2 is still going to be the base 2 here is under the log. It's kind of like subscript, and the y here will become the one beside the log. So let's see here. If I have a y equals, say, a raised to the b power. Again, we copy the exponent. Where's the exponent here? The exponent here is b, so I'm going to write the exponent b is equal to the log, and then there's a subscript and a level to the log. The subscript there is the base. The base here is 2, that's why it's on the bottom there. The base here is a, so it's going to be 2 here. And then the 1 by itself goes with the log. And that's how you write exponential to log form. A few more. Let's say I have k equals m squared. Again, what do we do here? We find the exponent. The exponent here is 2 is equal to log, and there's a subscript and then level to the log. The subscript will be the base, which is m, and the one by itself there will be with k. And that's how you write exponential to log form. Now, what about the log form to exponential? It's just a reverse, okay? So for example, I have here a equals em. No. For example, I have here a is equal to log base 2, okay? So how do we write this one? First, I like to start with the base, okay? The base here is the one under, so I'll put here the b, and the exponent is the one by itself, so raised to the a is equal to 2. Okay, one more time. Okay, let's say 8 is equal to log of c, log of base c, d. So again, I always start with the base. The base here is c, and the exponent there is the one by itself, and this is 8 equals d. Okay. Let's try this one here. Rewrite each in logarithmic form. Okay. So I have here 19 squared is equal to 361. Again, how do we do it? We always try to get the exponent. The exponent is 2 is equal to the log. And what will be the subscript here? Whatever the base. The base here is 19 is equal to 361. By the way, I want to make sure it's clear to you. We read this one as 2 is equal to the log of 361 with base of 19. Some textbook or teachers they say it 2 is equal to log of base 19 361. Okay, so doesn't matter as long as I do it this way. 2 is equal to log of 361 with a base of 19. Okay, so it really depends. Everybody have different, so I always go with 361 with a base of 19. Okay, number 2, 7 thirds equal 343. So we're gonna copy the exponent, which is 3, and then we're gonna say log of 343 with a base of 7. Okay, next, 9 squared is equal to 81. Again, the exponent is 2 is equal to log of 81 to the base of 9. By the way, I want to make sure it's clear to you what's the meaning of this. The meaning of that is that you're being asked what must be the exponent of 9 to get an 81. The answer is 2. That's the idea of log. So the logarithm discuss or give you the value of the exponent when you multiply the base to itself and how much would you multiply it. Okay, so again here 9 squared will give you 81. So x to the 15 equals y. Again, you copy the base. All right, one more time. So you copy the exponent, 15, and you do the log. What is the base here? The base here is x, and the log number is y. So we read it as 15 is equal to log of y with a base of x. And that's how you write equation, exponential form to logarithmic form. Now let's do the vice versa. Let's try to write the log form to exponential form. Again, here, log of 289 to the base 17. Again, the meaning of this, how many times do you need to multiply 17 to itself? Or what should be the exponent of 17 to get 289? So here, get the base, 17, and the 1 by itself here, that's your exponent, is equal to 289. Very simple. Next, log of 50 with a base of x is equal to y. Again, you get the base here is x, the exponent here is the 1 by itself, which is y, is equal to 50. Log of 1 with a base of 14 is equal to 0. What is the base? The base is 14, the exponent is 0, the answer is 1. And you agree that 14 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1, except 0 raised to 0. 0 raised to 0 is undefined. Next, log of b with a base of 2 is equal to negative 18. Again, the base here is 2. Again, the base here is 2 with the exponent of negative 18 is equal to b. And that's how you write log form to exponential form. And again, I hope you learned something. As always, kaboom!